Hey guys! After a really long time of waiting, I finally got my Samsung package that has my Z Flip 4, the Galaxy Watch 5, and also the Buds 2 Pro. And I'm super duper excited to unbox it with you guys. And yes, I'm not currently in my studio right now because I am visiting my family that's in another city, and I also didn't happen to bring any video gear, so we'll have to make do with what we got today. But anyways, let's get cutting. Alright, got my knife. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to cut this open right here. There we go. And this over here. Ooh, this tape is tough. There we go. Alright, we got like a lot of packaging in here. Ooh, there we go. Okay, let's open the Z Flip 4 first. I really hope you guys can see this. Alright, so we got two, oh, they don't even have pull tabs like Apple. Alright, cut this plastic thing open over here, and this one open over here. Alright, let's take this thing open. Oh, beautiful, look at that. Oh, I really like the Bora purple as well, but you know, blue's my favorite color, so I had to get the blue. Oh, that feels amazing. Look at that. Oh, can't wait. And I don't think there's actually anything in the box. Maybe it's on the back over here? Huh, I have no idea. I don't think this opens. So I guess, do they even include a SIM ejector or like a manual or something? Huh. Hello? Ah, whatever. I don't think they have it. We'll see. Alright. Oh, it's actually on the top. I'm stupid. I didn't see that. It's on the top. Alright, so inside I think we have... Oh, there we go. We have our cable, and we have our SIM ejector tool, and some manuals and guides. Alright, so now that the Z Flip is out of the way, we got our Galaxy Watch 5. Alright. These were all such a good deal, by the way. Like, I traded in my S22, and then I got the Z Flip 4 for like 400 CAD. I got the Galaxy Watch 5 for like 170, and also got like the Buds 2 Pro for like 80 CAD, which is amazing. And then I still have to sell my Galaxy Watch 4, and maybe the Buds 2 Pro if they aren't good, so really good deal. Alright, woo! The blue looks so good. Look at that. Oh, looks beautiful. Do I have my own one? No, I don't have my current one right now. Oh, whatever. Look at that. Oh, I made a good choice. Let's see how well it matches the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Pretty good, pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Looks really good. Alright. And then in the top of the box, I think we have a charger inside, I think. Let me see. Pull everything out. Oh, maybe the other side. There we go. So this supposedly should be able to get the watch from like, I don't know, I forgot, like 0 to 30 in like 15 minutes or like half an hour or something. So 0 to 50 in half an hour. So that should be really convenient because, I don't know, when I had the Galaxy Watch 4, the battery only lasted like 1 day exactly. So hopefully, because this has a bigger battery life, it can actually last more than a day. And with the fast charging, should be able to top you up when you like take a shower in the morning or something. And last but not least, we got Galaxy Buds 2 Pro in purple. So no pull tabs again. Wow, Samsung. So much for being environmentally friendly by removing the charges in the box. Alright, open this thing. Come on, let's go. I hope I'm recording. Alright, beautiful. We got the Buds 2 Pro over here. Oh, it's really small actually. I don't know if you can see, but it's really, really small. Purple looks amazing, by the way. Here's a comparison of the blue. Don't know if you can really see on camera, but because I don't have the right lighting, but yeah. And opening it up. Ooh, I like the matte finish. It's not like smooth or glossy or anything, but it's like really nice matte soft touch finish. Oh, that looks beautiful. Can't wait to use that. And then I think it does include a charger in the box too, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it does. Ah, there we go. Nice. What else have we got in here? So we got like a slim cover I got for like 15 bucks, which is nice. More. Ah, oops. I dropped my knife. Alright. More tabs to cut. Alright, let's go. I also ordered the silicone case because I checked it out in the store and I really liked it, but didn't arrive in time for this unboxing, so that sucked. Okay. Oh, I thought it would be like soft, but it's actually like a hard like PC plastic, which is kind of sad, but oh well, should do. And then I also got 2 free things with my watch and the earbuds actually. I got this one, I got like a dual charger, like a dual wireless charging pad for my, what was it? For my Galaxy Watch that I could use with my Z Flip as well, which is nice, which means I don't have to use the little charging dock and I can just charge my watch on this one instead, which is really good. Let's unbox this one as well. Alright. Cut. Cut. Open. Ooh, it's a lot smaller than I thought, and they do include a charger in the box. Alright, alright. Ooh, and a cable as well, if you can see in here. That is really nice. So the phone goes on this squarish thing here, and then the watch goes on this little thing over here. And I also got another one, which is just a square, and this one I'm probably gonna sell because I don't need that many chargers, but that's awesome. Really good pre-order bonus to Samsung. But yeah, I made a mess in this room, and I'm gonna spend the rest of the day setting up my Z Flip 4, my watch, and the earbuds as well. So yeah, I guess that's it for this quick little unboxing. So stay tuned for my first week impressions that I'll have next week, my review, my comparison with the S22, and also my day in life with the Z Flip 4, which should be really, really fun. So yeah, that's it. Definitely go smash that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content from my awesome channel. And have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.